The ramp-up for large-volume global manufacturing operations requires expert planning and support for all phases of the automation lifecycle. These phases often include automated process development, design and build, installation and validation, early production support, value engineering, high-volume repeat line builds, continuous improvement management, and service, spare parts, maintenance, and retrofit. Choosing the right automation partner is crucial in developing a successful global manufacturing strategy. Eclipse Automation is a full-service automation partner with experience in large global repeat equipment build and support. Having all aspects of design, build, machining, and fabrication in-house allows Eclipse to fully control the program schedule and minimize cost on both first-time and volume repeat builds. Eclipse Automation's proven program management structure ensures high-level coordination between multiple project teams and our customer through regular, transparent communication. By understanding our customers' needs, Eclipse is able to support their manufacturing plans anywhere around the globe with the right resource plan through the entire automation life cycle. Let's design and build the future together. Contact us today, eclipseautomation.com.